Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we are looking at Chappell Roan's Pink Pony Club. We will first look at just the chords of the song individually. There's only 4 of them. And then we'll look at the pattern. There's only one single pattern that all 4 of those chords go into that make up the whole song. And then we'll look at a tutorial going all the way through the song together. Those moments are below the description and key moments and the chapters. Check it out. Let's get playing. This is in the key of D flat, 5 flats. So we start on a D flat chord, right? That is D flat, F, A flat. And that is the only time we use this chord in the song, right away in the intro. And then just play it up all the way up the keyboard. However many times you can get those 3 notes to arpeggiate. That's how we get that lovely intro. And then we go into our 4-chord pattern for the rest of the song. We start on a G flat major, spell that G flat, B, D. It's the first chord of our pattern of every section. G flat major, G flat, B flat, D flat, all black keys. We take that right next door to A flat minor. Give me that A flat, C flat, E flat. Oh my gosh, the A flat minor, A flat, C flat, that's also a B natural note, and an E flat. That's the second chord of every section. The third chord is our E flat minor, spell that E flat, G flat, B flat, all black keys there again, E flat, G flat, B flat for the E flat minor. And then the last chord we need is our B major, spell that B, D sharp, F sharp. B major on B, D sharp, F sharp. That chord could also be called C flat, E flat, G flat. And harmonic. 2 different ways to call it, but it always sounds the same. That is all of our chords, I promise. Let's go through that pattern I talked about. So whether we're in the verse, the refrain, the pre-chorus, they all have the same 4-chord pattern. We start on a G flat, putting the root in my left hand and the chord in my right hand for a little texture. We go to our A flat minor, right next door. Show me that E flat minor, spreading it out amongst the hands here, but it's all just the same notes I taught you, E flat, G flat, B flat, with a few extra friends to give it a thicker texture. And the last chord, B major. Right? Let's go through that again. G flat, A flat minor, E flat minor, to B major, C flat major. It just repeats. We'll play with the texture. We'll play with thinning it out, thickening it out, and rocking the rhythm out as we go. You are ready. Let's walk through this whole song. Like I said, it starts on that D flat chord. Start it low and arpeggiate, meaning play each note of the chord one at a time, all the way up the piano, till we don't have any more. So we'll start, ready, out of time, intro chord, make it dramatic, flourishy. 2, 3, verse 1. Feel the pulse, E flat minor, to 3, 2, 3, 4 again. Keep the texture light, cause we'll build it up soon here. Ready, and pre-chorus, having wicked dreams, A flat minor, E flat, B. Pick it up more, make my mama proud. Ready, and it's what have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance at the club, oh mama, yeah. Ready, chorus, pony club, A flat minor, dancing at the E flat minor, B down in Hollywood, A flat minor, to E flat minor, to B major. Ready, verse 2. measure, then maybe 2 chords per measure. Then full rhythm for the chorus, pony club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the I'm gonna keep on dancing back to G flat, A flat minor, E flat minor. Thing, pony club outro, arpeggiate. I love playing with you today. Thank you for being here. Subscribe to our page for all of our tutorials and check out our memberships. We have 2 levels of memberships here at Just the Chords. Practice makes better. Play on. I'll see you on the next video.